Hey guys,
Hi.
what did we make today, Karen?
Oh, we made candied pecans, sugar-free.
Oh my gosh, pecans are my absolutely favorite nut in the world. And what could you put this on?
Well, I would put it on a salad because I love candied pecans on salad, and I've never been able to have them because the candied part, but now
You could do that, but what else could you put it on?
I think you're going to say ice cream,
Yes, ice cream. And we made a recipe for that we'll release soon.
right?
I mean, these things with vanilla ice cream, unbelievable. So these things
Unbelievable.
are incredible. There's absolutely no sugar in these things, but they're sweet.
They're really good.
Really good. Mm.
Could just eat the whole bowl.
Mm-hmm.
You want to say anything about pecans?
No.
I mean, everybody always wants to hear all the good nutritional facts.
Well, it's actually vitamin B6.
Mm-hmm.
It's for carpal tunnel syndrome, Karen. Make note, mental note.
Okay. I feel better already.
Let's show them how to make it.
Okay.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.